section was to detect three pratyas and saprama sasutram sadhayata. Three pratyayantam rupam chitva sasutram sadhayata. So in this question there are no errors, at least in the questions there are no errors. So the emphasis is just on finding out which has three pratyayantas and deriving them. So Narinam Uttama Vadhuhu. So there are three Strilinga words here. There is Nari and there is Uttama and there is Vadhu. So Nari, I think everybody would know. Nari can be derived either from Nara or from Nr. Right? So both of them have to be done. If it is Nara, you have direct Vriddhi for the Esyaticha. Nara plus E. Esyaticha ittanena Rephottarakara Selopaha. Nar E ityasti. Idanim Nr Narayoh Vriddhishcha ittanena Vriddhihi. So Nari iti rupam. Nr iti yadi rikarantam. Tadhi Indra E Vriddhihi. Narayoh Vriddhishcha. Akaraha Vriddhihi. Urandraparaha ittanena Rephashiraskaha. So Nar E Nari iti rupam. So sutram tu this is neen, not niche. I don't know what it is. Shangaravadyayo neen. So obviously the pratyaya is neen, and it is by the sutra Shangaravadyayo neen. So here also when we are mentioning the sutra, you should understand what it's clearly. The Nirnarayo Vriddhishcha is the Gana Sutra, which is saying specifically that it will have Vriddhi, but actually I mean for the answer initially you should have that it is neen. Shangaravadyayo neen is the sutra. Without mentioning the sutra, the answer will not be complete. Right? So that is about Nari. Uttama is Pap, Agaditashtab. So I don't think this is a question. And Vadhuhu. So is Vadhu pratyayanta or not? As a question. I saw that, I don't remember who wrote what, but there was a paper where the Svitpati is given and still Stri Right? It is not a Stri pratyayanta. Vadhu is not unganta. Okay. So that is why that was a trick question. It is not a Stri pratyayanta, but I still wanted to. You could have found the answer in the Siddhanta Kaumudi itself when we did the Strilingas. There is Vadhur Gauri Vati, and there the Balamanoramakara gives the Vitpatti. He says Vahodhashcha iti Vahadhatohu Aunadika U pratyaya. It is a U which is itself the pratyaya which is added to the Vahadhatu. Right. So it's an Unadi pratyaya, and there is an Ukara already. There is no Stri pratyaya being added to the word. Right. So it is not.
I did it. That wrong.
No problem. It does not matter. It is very easy to think that it is an Unganta also. But yeah. So it is an U pratyayanta, and there is Vah U pratyaya and Vahodhashcha. It says Hakara is replaced with Hakara. So you have Vadhu U Vadhu. It's an Ukaranta Pratipadika by itself, and there is no Stri pratyaya being added.
Muted.
So, as I told, any questions, anytime, please ask. Sumukhi Nalini Subhru. This is from the Lalita Sahasra.
Unmuted.
So, Sumukhi. Shobhanam Mukham Isyaha Sumukhi. So, there is Sumukha and Nish. So, this is also one thing which is important. You should add what is the word to which you are adding the pratyaya. So it makes a difference later on, say in the next one itself. So you should be clear as to which is the pratipadika to which you are adding this Stri pratyaya. The pratipadika here is Sumukha, and the sutra is Swangat Chopasarjana, the Sanyogopadhat, which is Mukha is a Swangavachi and it is an Upasarjana. How do we know it is an Upasarjana? Shobhanam Mukham Yasyaha, Anya Padartha, it's a Bahuvrihi. A Sanyogopadha, there is no Sanyoga in the Upadha. So we have Nish, and the form is Sumukhi. Nish is optional, so we'll have that form, but here the form is derived by adding Nish. Right? This was pretty easy. Nalini. So Nalini, actually there are two ways of deriving it. One is you can add Nalina itself. Nalina itself means Padma. It's a Jativachaka where it is a lotus flower. So when you are treating it as a Jativachaka, you can add a niche by Jate Rastri Vishayadayo Padhat. So it becomes Nalina plus niche, and there is a Jasyati Chalopa, so it becomes Nalini. It means a lotus. Okay. So there is also another way of deriving this. Nalin. There is an Akaranta Pratipadika called Nalin. Nalin is either Nalanam Samuhaha Nali. Nala Nama Padma. Padmanam Samuhaha ityarthe Nalin iti bhavati. Athava Nalani atra santi. So the lotus has the strands in its what you call the nala. That is why we call it as the Kamala Nala. The stalk of the STALK. Stalk of the thing has nala. It is like a tube. So that is why it is called, the lotus itself is also called as Nalin. That Nalin is a Pratipadika and Prathama Ekavachana is Nali. So if you are taking that as the Pratipadika, Makaranta and Nantatvat Runebhyo Neep ityanena Neep api bhavitum arhati. So either way we can have Nalini. So actually this was one question which I did not know the answer to when I wrote, when I asked the question. So it was only later that I found out the Vyutpatti. So either way it is either niche or neep. Where there is a swara there might be a difference, but for us it does not really make a difference. Subhruhu is again not a Stri Pratyayanta. Okay. I think nobody even attempted Subhruhu. It is fine, but it is not a Stri Pratyayanta because Bhrameshte duhu. Again you have this. So Bhramadhatohu du iti audadika. Du is the pratyaya where dakara is it, and you have u. Brahma and u. Ditva tilopaha, you have bru. Okay. So bru is not a Stri Pratyayanta. Ashtadhyayi Jaganmata. Ashtadhyayi. Ashtanam adhyayanam samaharaha ashtadhyayi. Samahara dvigu samasa. Because it is a dvigu, it is arantottara pado, akarantottara pado dviguhu, striyamishtaha ityane strilingatvam bhavati. So you have ashtadhyaya is the Pratipadika, on that we are adding ni by dvigoscha. So and you have Seti Chalopa, it becomes Ashtadhyayi. So this is not, just to think, Gotrancha Charanai Saha will not apply here, Ravichandraji, because it is not Charana. By Charana we are meaning the Shakha. Okay. So the Veda Shakhas like Katha and Kalapa, that is what is played there. And also, even if it is treated, see there the what Shakha Adhyetru, when it refers to the one who studies the Shakha, then only it is a Jativachaka, not the Shakha itself. So Ashtadhyayi refers to the text and not somebody who is studying the text. Right? So either way that thing cannot apply here. Right?
Thanks.
Yeah, sure. The next one, Jagannata, Jagataha Mata. So you know, Matru. So, and this one thing, whenever we are mentioning the Nishedha Sutra, say Nashat Swasradibhyaha, it says na. What? Kim na? Iti prashnaha. Always Nishedha should be Prapti Purvaka. And in saying it is Nishedha, what is being negated by that Sutra? Nashat Swasradibhyaha ityena kasya Nishedha. Kimartham Nishedha. What is the Prapti there should always be highlighted. Wherever there is a Nishedha Sutra. Because Nishedha does not make sense without Prapti. So Matru Pratipadikam, Runebhyo Neep. Because it is a Karanta, we could have had Neep by Runebhyo Neep. So to prevent that Neep, we have Nashat Swasradibhyaha. So the Nashat Swasradibhyaha is preventing the application of Neep. So Vyakarana Siddhanta Kaumudiyam Virachyate. Kaumudi, Vyakarana Siddhantanam Kaumudi iti. Kumudasya iyam Kaumudi. So there is Kumuda, Tasyedam iti an pratyaya. Kumuda we are adding an, so it becomes Kaumuda. Kumuda पूर्वतनाकारस्य लोपः and adivruddhi because it is a pradhita, so it becomes kaumuda. Kaumuda shabdat neep kriyate. Since it says kaumudasya iyam tritva-dyotanartham neep pratyayah kena tidhanai anpratyayantah. So that should be there. It is tidhanai not because it is a kit, because it is an anpratyayanta. Since there is an, we are applying tidhanai and there is neep. So it becomes kaumudi. Nirlobha lobhanashini. So nirlobha, nirgata lobha, so lobha, there is tap, payajatita tap. Lobhanashini, so lobha nam nashini. Nashin iti nakarantam pratipadikam. So you can either take it as nashin or lobhanashin, it makes no difference. So nantatvat rinebhyo neep ityanena neep pratyayah, it becomes nashini. Srishtikartri bhagavati. So Srishtikartri, Srishtehe Kartri. So Kartr iti Rikarantam Pratiparikam. Rikarantatvat Rinebhyo Neep ityanena Neep Pratyaha Kartr I Yenikrate Kartri iti rupam. Bhagavati. So Bhagaha asya asti iti Bhagavat. The Pratipadika there is Bhagavat. Tadasyasmin asti iti matup. As a pratyaya you are adding to bhaga. Bhaga, matup, makara is replaced by vakara. So you have bhagavat and a neep is by ugitascha because matup ityatra ukaraha itsamyakaha. You have matu which is left out. So ukara gets itsamya by ukaloj upadeshya jananasikait, and therefore it is ugit. Ugitvat ugitascha ityanena neepi bhagavati iti rupam. Dasharathasya patnishu kanishtha kaikayi. So patni. So here again the presentation. Patni you cannot directly write neep, and patyurno yagya sanyoga is not giving neep, right? And you will not have neep on pati. So the prakriya is patyurno yagya sanyoga ityanena pati shabdasya nakaraha antadeshah kriyate. So it becomes patna. Patna iti idanim nakarantatvat rinebhyo neep ityanena neep bhavati. So the same patyurno yagya sanyoga is giving just the nakara. The stri pratyaya is still neep and by rinebhyo neep. Right. So both things have to be mentioned, otherwise it will stop at patna. That is what the Patyurno Yagya Sanyoga is doing. So Kanishtha is tap. Kekayi. So Kekayasya stri ityarthe Puyogadakhayam ityanena nish. It is what most people accept, that Puyogadakhayam is not just Patni evana Putri api kadachit bhavitum arhati. Iti mate Kekaya shabdatu Puyogadakhayam ityanena nishi Kekayi iti bhavati. Nagesha Bhatta does not accept this. He says the Puyogadakhayam is only for the wife, not for the child. So he says in his mata, Gauradi hi akriti gana. So because it's an akriti gana, we have to add such words and derive it, is what he says. But most Vyakranas accept Puyoga even for the father and daughter. So it is Puyogadakhayam and it is nish. Sharvadyam bhaja maheshwari. So Sharvari Shru dhatohu vanip pratyayantah. Since it is vanip, we have vanoracha. Sharvan neep. Vanoracha does two things. It adds neep, it also adds refa as the antadesha. I saw in some paper where the repa part was left out. It was just written as Sharvani. The nakara is replaced by repa. So it becomes Sharvar I Sharvari. Sharvari means Ratrihi. Maheshwari. It is Ishvara Shabda. Mahati Ishwari. So Ishvarasya stri ityarthe Puyogadakhayam ityanena nish pratyayah. It becomes Ishwari. It is one way of deriving Ishwari. There is also another way. What the derivation of Ishvara Shabda? Actually, the Paninian Sutra itself says Sthesha Bhasa Pisakaso Varach. Stha Isha. Isha ityasmat Varach. pratyaya pratyaya ishvara iti rupam. So when you are doing, since ishvara varach is not included in any of the pratyaya lists, so it should actually get tap, and the form for ishvara should be ishvara. One case. There is also one case where they treat it as a varat pratyaya, so nadi pratyaya, which is tit. So titvat neep ishvari ityapi sadhayanti. Both are derived, but the Paninian Sutra, the Sutra itself is Varach. So Ishvara is also there for this, but Puyoge to Nish Bhavatyeva. Puyoga will always give Nish. For when there is no Puyoga, there are two ways. There is one which can give tap, or another derivation which can give neep. When do we use Ishvara is when she herself rules. Ishvaraha is Isha, that who rules is called Ishvara, the owner or the master or the Swami. So when your intention is that the goddess, she is the ruler, there is no Punyoga. Ishte yogita arthe yada bhavati tada you can use Ishvara. Shankaracharya rachita Vishnu Shatpadi. So rachita iti tabantah Vishnu Shatpadi. Shat padaha yasyaha. Samasah sankhyasu purvasya shat pada ityasti. So sankhyasu purvasya iti samasantah pada ityasya akara lopaha. So we have shat pad. So here the pratyaya is on the word shat pad to be mentioned. It is not on shat pada, it is not on shat pada. So shatpad ityasmat neep kimartham padonyatarasyam padaha. So luptanakaras कृत अकार लोपस्य इत्येव सूत्रार्थे दीयते. अकार लोपानन्तरम् एव अयं प्रत्ययः भवति. सो षट्पाद नीप् इत्यस्ति. ततः नीप् प्रत्यये कृते भसंज्ञा भवति अजादि प्रत्ययान्तत्वात्. यचिभम् इत्यनेन भसंज्ञायां पादः पत् इत्यनेन पदादेशः. So we have Shatpad E Shatpadi, Vishnu Shatpadi. It is a famous set of 6 stotras on Vishnu by Shankaracharya. Very nice shlokas. Asya deshasya सीमासु बह्व्यः नद्यः प्रवहन्ति. So सीमा is सीमन इत्यस्मात् डाप् प्रत्ययः. So actually सीमन is nakaranta. Since it is nakaranta, we could have had neep by Rannebhyo neep. So neepi prapte manaha iti tannishedhe. Mannanta neep na bhavati. So that neep has been prevented by manaha. So once you have manaha, dab ubhabhyam anyatarasyam ityanena dab bhavati. Ubhabhyam manaha anobahuvrihe. There is a reference to the two previous sutras. So dab is by dab ubhabhyam anyatarasyam. It becomes akaranta. So it is seeman a. Ditvat tilopaha, it becomes seemu a seema. So seemasu. There is also another form. Since dap is vikalpa anyatarasyam, it can remain as nakaranta. Seeman itself can be in strilinga. Nakarantaha strilingaha seeman shabdaha. What would be the saptami bahuvachana of seeman? It would be Seemasu, because Rajan is Rajasu. Seemansu Padasamya asti Nalopah Pratipadikantasya Etyanena Nakarasya Lope Seemasu iti bhavati. So if it is Seemasu, it is obvious that it is daf. We just say Seema, it can be either Nakaranta or Akaranta. But Seemasu is most certainly Akaranta. So Bahvi. I think nobody has attempted this. Nobody even noted this as a Sri Pratyayanta. Bahvyaha is Bahvi is Bahu ityasmat Neep Pratyaha bhavati. Bahvadibhyascha ityanena. Bahvadigane prathama shabdaha Bahu iti. So you can either say Bahavaha nadyaha pravahanti or Bahvyaha nadyaha pravahanti. Both are correct. Strilinge. So it is correct. but if we have the pratyaya, it will be bahvi. Bahvi ityasya bahuvachane bhavyah bhavati. Nadyah, again nadi, it is an ach pratyayanta. Nandi grahe pachadibhyo linyachah. But in
भगिनी क्षम्यताम्
huh?
क्षम्यताम् अहं कृतवती तत् बह्वी
Okay. Evam Bhautam. I saw the 3 ones and I didn't. Good. I mean, it is pretty easy. There's not much, but yes. So Nadi, in that Pachadi Gana, it is an Ach Pratyayanta actually. Because of its Pratyaya, it will not get any Spri Pratyaya. But in that Pachadi Gana, he has given that as Nadat. There's Kakara given as Itsamya. Nadat and Devat. Chorat. So there are given as Tit Pratipadika, Tit and that Pratipadika. So because it is Tit, Titvata Tidhana ityanena Neep Bhavati Nadi iti Rupam. Gauryaha Katyayani iti Namantaram Vartate. So Gauri, very obvious, Shidgauradibhyashcha. The first word is in the Gauradigana is Gaura. So Gaura ityasmat nish pratyaya krute Gauri iti bhavati. Katyayani. Here, I mean, most of them you have written it correct, but I'm not sure if you got the prakriya correct. That is what I said. I don't know if you know the prakriya correctly. So where are we adding the nish or where are we adding the shpa? It is on the word katya. Katasya patyam katyaha. Katya is a yayanta. Gargadibhyo yayityanena yayanta. इदानीं तस्मात् ष्फ प्रत्ययः क्रियते सो ष्फ प्रत्यये कृते सर्वत्र लोहितादिगतं तेभ्यः इत्यनेन नित्यं ष्फ प्रत्ययः इट बिकम्स कात्या ष्फ सो देन आयनयनीयः इत्यनेन आयन इत्यादेशः द ष्फ इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय आयन सो इट बिकम्स कात्यायन कात्यायन इत्यस्मात् नीष् प्रत्ययः क्रियते बिकॉज़ ष्फ इज शित् शित् गौरादिभ्यश्च इत्यनेन शित्वात् नीष् भवति इट बिकम्स कात्यायनी. So you're adding shpa on katya and then we are adding nish on katyayana. Katyayana itself is a shpa pratyayanta. Then we add nish, it becomes katyayani. Bhudevyaha Kumari Vaidehi. Bhudevi. Again, as I said, Nadat Devat. Devat is given as a tit. Tit in the Pachadigana. Because it is tit, we have tidhanai. It becomes Devi. Whether it is Devasya Stri, I mean, when we are doing tidhanai, it is Neep. If we are doing it as Devasya Stri Devi, it will be Punyogadakhyayam ityanena Nish Bhavati. किंतु स्वयं दीव्यति इति दिवधातोः निष्पन्नः देवशब्दः तो तस्मिन् अर्थे अपि देवी इत्येव because it is tit, it has to be neep. Okay. So kumari, kumara, neep, vayasi prathame. So prathamayo vachaka, because of it we have neep and it is kumari. Vaidehi, it is not Punyogadakhyayam. Because if we do Punyogadakhyayam, the word here is videha. Videhasya, this, well, we can do. Videhasya apatyam ityarthe Punyogadakhyayam iti krute api bhavati. Okay, so there are two ways of deriving it. But the first thing, it has to be an. Okay. Videhasya apatyam stri ityarthe, sakshat when you are saying. So, tasyapatyam ityanena an pratyayah, it becomes vaideha. Since it is an, tidhanai ityanena neep bhavitam arhati, vaidehi iti bhavati. Or we can say videhasya patyam vaideha. Vaideha is janaka. If we are making it as an adjective to janaka, so then vaidehasya stri ityarthe punyogadakhyayam ityanena nish krute api vaidehi iti bhavati. But you cannot directly add nish to videha. Okay. Videha is the original word. It has to be an pratyayanta. So after we have the an, we can either have the direct neep or we can have nish by punyogadakhyayam. Videha, vaidehi. Okay. So this can also have a niche. Let me just include it here. But it is better to do it by niche because, as I said, the niche for the Niyoga for the daughter relationship is not very widely found. Some Vyakaranas will not accept this. The NEEP is, well, there is no controversy about it. Niyoga is 4148, I think. So if it is Niyoga, it will be niche, otherwise it will be NEEP. So Panchavataha Samipe Godavari Nadi Pravahati. So Panchavati, Panchanam Vatanam Samaharaha. So it is a Dvigu Samasa. So therefore Panchavata ityasmat Neep Pratyaya Bhavati Dvigoscha iti sutrena. So Godavari Nadi ityasti Nadi iti tu Purvameva Drishtam. Mama Bala Trihayani. So Bala Jarigane Bala Shabdaha Patitaha Tasmat Vayasi Prathama iti Neepi Prapte. So it should actually have had Neep by Vayasi Prathame, but overruling it because it is in Rajadigana, we have Tap. So it is Bala. Trihayani. Trini Hayanani Asyaha. Trihayana ityasmat Neep Pratyaha. So Damahayananta cha. So Hayananta Sankhyaadihi Hayanantaha yadi bhavati Bahuvrihi tarhi Neep bhavati. So Trihayana ityasmat Neep Pratyaha. Trityutarbhyam Hayanasya Natvam Vachyam iti Vartikam asti. So because it is because of that Vartika we have the Natva and it becomes Trihayani. Saha enyaha hiyaha rohinyaha dhenvaha cha swami. So Eni and Rohini both here are Varnavachakaha. Eni is white and Rohini is red. Okay. So Eni is by adding Neep to Eta. Eta ityasmat Neep Pratyaha Varnadanadata Topadhatva Naha ityanena Takarasya Nakaradeshaha api bhavati. So Eni iti ekam rupam, Eta iti aparam rupam api asti. So that is by adding tap. So Hayi, there's a point about Hayi here. You know that there is a Vartika. And, what is that? Haya Gavaya, Manushya, Mukaya, whatever he says. But actually, I mean, that Vartika is just a Sangraha of what, of the Ganapatha. In Gauradi Gana, Panini has included these words, Haya, Gavaya, Mukaya, Manushya, Matsya. So that Vartika is just a Sangraha of the Ganapatha. I mean, those five are Jativachakas. They would not get niche by Jate Rastri Vishaya Dayopadhat, and therefore they're put in the Gauradigana to get niche. Okay? So the Vartika is just a Sangraha. So that is the reason. I don't know why. I mean, the Kaumudikara has given the Vartika and he treats it as being given by the Vartika. But actually the niche can be from the Sutra, Shidgauradibhishcha. So this question, whenever something can be done through the Sutra, to do it to a Vartika is not accepted. So I feel it should be through Shidgauradibhishcha. I don't know what is in the Kashika. Hachanji, do you remember?
I'll have to, I can,
Yeah, this
I can take a look at it, yeah, and then next class.
Yeah, and because I mean, I want to know how he treats it, because it is not actually from the Vartika. He is just collecting what has been told in the Gauradigana. So, but I mean, if you written the Vartika, it is not wrong because that is what is given in the Kaumudi. But if you look at the Gauradigana, the Gauradigana has all those words.
At the end, it has.
Yeah, no, it is not even. Just a second. So I saw the. Shid Gauradibhishcha. So Gaura, Matsya, Manushya. They are right at the beginning. So it is not like it is an Athitikana addition at the end. So Gaura, Matsya, Manushya, Shrunga, Pingala, Haya, Gavaya, Mukaya. So they occur right at the beginning of the Gauradi Gana. So it means they are in the original Gana itself. Gauradi is an Akriti Gana. So it is not like it is added through later. It has the words right at the beginning. So actually Shudgauradi should apply there. That's what I feel. Let us see.
Actually, it's given under Jati Astriya. Only he has given a
The
high.
Vartika is there. Yes.
He has given the high
because-
there. Yoda precision.
Yeah. So that is what, but I'm still wondering why the Kaumudikara had did that, because I mean the Vartika is there, but so let us see what the Vyakhyana says at that point. योपध प्रतिषेध है योपधत्वेङीश्वाच्यः Gauradishu Tattvabodhini makes it clear. It says Gauradishu Gavayadayaha Idanintanaihi Prakshiptaha Iti Athyam Asmadeva Vartikad Vijñāyate Iti Kayyatadayaha. So Kayyata says that the Gauradi Patha is Prakshipta, that the words have been added to Gauradi Gana by somebody else. It is obvious by this Vartika. I mean, he says because the Vartika is here, we can assume that the Gauradi Gana Patha is, there have been additions. I mean, that is always there. You never know what the Gana, original Gana of Panini was, because he didn't write it down. And we don't have any sources. So our Ganapatha might be much Arvachina, and there might have been additions. So Kayyata says the Vartika itself shows that the Gauradi Ganapatha is, I mean, these have been additions, so in that case we will have to do it by the Vartika.
But we have to still account for Yopadat, right? Yopada Pratishede.
Gauradi Gana does not have, no, he says Yopada Pratishede Hayagavayadinam Pratishede. So I mean, if you have the Gauradi Gana, it
then
does not
of course,
care whether it
yeah,
is Yopada or not.
No, right.
It's just the word.
So okay, maybe there's somebody later introduced it.
Yeah, we don't know what Dex. I saw in the book of that word Bhimasena Shastigal, he said the Bhaimi, some part of it, he says it is the Gauradi Gana, because of Gauradi Gana. That's where I came to know that it belongs. When that was after it that I opened the Gauradi Gana and saw, actually. So for one of these words, I think for Manushya, he says it is the Gauradi Gana Patha. So you can see what the Kashika says. So
Kashika is introduced only in the same place, and he said, and he also says he quotes the Vartika and says because the Vartika is negating it, so it has been added to that.
Okay. So both of them accept the Vartika. So
I think Kashika tends to like Vartikas a lot. So.
we have the Vartika. Either way we can do. So Rohini is like any, only the Naktva is extra here. Rohita is matra nish pratyaya by Varnadana Naktva and the Takara is replaced by Nakara. So Dhenuhu is, well, Dhenuaha, it is not a Stri Pratyayanta. So it means that not all Ukarantas will be Stri Pratyayanta, Dukaranta or Ukaranta. So in that case it's a very, what? You have to be careful in that case. So Nagi and Nada, everybody knows it, it is by Janapada Kundagona. So when there is Thaulya being Gamyavana, you have Nish by Janapada Kundagona Sthalabhaja Naga Kalanila Kushakamka Kabara, Drityamakra Vapana, Kritrima Shrana Thaulya. So Thaulya Gamya Nagi iti bhavati.
Muted.
Naga iti bhavati. So there is Nish in one case and Tap in the other. I saw somewhere there is, yeah. So that's it. Okay. So the artha is the sthaulya, which is to be taken. Gautami patvitam tvam pakakalayam. So Gautami, I think Bhanu Prakash ji has done this, and that is where again the neen is by Shangaravadi Gana. So Gautami, Gautamasya patyam sri ityarthe tasya patyam iti an pratyaya bhavati. So I was thinking it would be neep because of Ridhanai. But actually the Gautama, word Gautama has been given in the Shangaravadi Gana. So because of that there will be neen, and it is Shangaravadi neen. So it is Gautami. It is three pratyaya. So Patvi is Patu is a gunavachana, the quality of being expert or skilled at something. So voto gunavachanat ityanena vikalpena nish bhavati Patvi iti rupam. So Kala is this Tabanta. So Vandeham Brahmanim Vrishakapayau cha. So Brahmani is given by the Kaumudi itself. I mean, he is very clear. Brahmanam anayati ityarthe. So karmanyana iti anna pratyayanta. Brahmanam anayati is pranayati. Pranam dadati ityarthe. Anadhatahu nijantaha. So there is anayati, we have an, so it becomes Brahmana. So Brahmana is the pratipadika on which you are adding neep. Because it is an, you are using tidhanai. Vrishakapayi Shri Gauryav. It was Lakshmi and Parvati. So Vrishakapehe Stri ityarthe. So Vrishakapi ityasmat neep pratyaya. Vrishakapekni pustakasidhanam uddartaha. So there is neep and also aikara as the antadesha. So the E is replaced by I. So it becomes Vrishakapai and E. Ayadesha, it becomes Vrishakapai. Gopyaha Vyaghrim Drishtva Bhayena Kampanta. So Gopi is Gopasya Stri Gopi. Okay, Niyogada Akhyayam Ityanena Nish. So, I mean, it is correct. There is no, I wanted the derivation of Gopi. Okay, so whether it will be Gopya here or not is a different thing. But the intention is the Gopasya Stri ityarthe nish bhavati Gopi. Again, Vyaghri is nish by Jatera Stri Vishayat, since it is a Jati Vachaka. So, Jatera Stri Vishayat ityanena nish pratyaye Vyaghri iti rupam. Maharajni Chauri Manetum Anucharihi Adishtavati. So Maharajni Rajan iti nakarantam nantatva bhavati allopo naha ityanena allope jakara nakarayoho nakarasya shtutve Maharajni iti rupam. Chauri, again in a textbook example, Churashilam asyaha itse chhatradibhyo naha, it is a napratyayanta. Tachilkene iti vaktikam asti tidhanai iti sutre. So therefore we have the neep and the form is chauri. Anuchari, anucharati. Charati ityarthe ach pratyantaha. This is again charat. It is given with tit. Titvat neep bhavati. Chari iti bhavati. Tidhanai ityarthe neep. So any questions or doubts in the first section?
Unmuted.
Somebody, which sutra is Pachadi Gana? I'm trying to look at the Ganapata. I don't know where the Pachadi Gana is.
Nandi Grahi Pachadi Bhyol.
So is it the 37 Pachadi Akriti Gana? But it doesn't give.
Yes, Pachadyache, wherever I mean, you find it very often. It is, I think I mentioned it somewhere, the first case where it was.
Okay, I got it. Nandika. Okay. Nandi, okay, Nandana, Shayana, Mandana, okay, Sahita Pada.
Yeah. So that is Pachadigana.
Because in general, if you don't know anything, I can generally say Pachadigana, it works.
Yeah. It is like, yeah, it is one of those Akritikana which is very useful for many cases. You find it very often they say Pachadyache.
Muted.
Such is one pratyaya which, see, why it is so is, which does not cause a change in the, it is not nit or kit or anything. It does not have any of the it samyas which cause a change in the root. So, one of the safer pratyayas. You have pachi, it remains as pachi. The other is only the pratyaya. The prakriti pratyaya, if you split it, the prakriti will remain as it is. So, there is pachadya, if it is from the dhatu, they use pachadyache. If it is from the pratipadika, there is an arshadyache. So both of them are used very frequently. Okay, so the next case where there is a bit more thing, adhodattayoho rupayoho kim sadhu. It is to think which of them is correct and why.
Unmuted.
I think which is correct, most of you have done it properly, or the why can be improved. Okay, Puratani and Puratana. So it is Tidhanai. Puratani is correct and Tidhanai. But why Tidhanai? Is what you have to say. It is a tu pratyaya. Sayam chiram pranye praghebhyebhya tyutyalau tutchayati sutrena. Pura is an avyaya. We are adding the tu pratyaya to it. Okay. So the pratyaya and there is tu kagama and therefore it is Puratana. Since because of the tu, since it is fifth, Titvat tidhana ityanena ngi bhavati, so the correct form is Puratani. Okay. You don't have to write the sutra. I mean, you might not know it yet, but at least you have to, whenever you found the nishpati, you have to mention it is tu pratyayanta. Titvat tidhanai. Otherwise, it will not be complete answer.
Swamiji, in this case, if it's like an adjective, so Puratana is an adjective. It can be in all the three lingas, right? So
Correct.
then which can, then I could also say Puratana, also, no, Puratana, okay.
Puratana. If it is a pullinga, it is Puratana. Huh? Okay. So that is no question. In Strilinga, will it be tap or will it be neep is the question. It will be neep because it is tip.
Okay.
So Puratanaha is there. It's a Visheshana. So Pullinga Puratanaha, Pumsakalinga Puratanam, Ubhayamasti. Strilinga tu Puratani itya bhavet, natu Puratana. So Sundari and Sundara. So Sundari is correct because it is in the Gauradi Gana. Gauradi Gana Patha. The Gauradi Bhuschatanena Nish Bhavati Sundari iti Rupam. Shankari and Shankara. Just this is correct. Both of them are correct. How? So, Sham Nama Kalyanam Sukham Karoti ityarthe Shamithato Samnyayam is a Kridanta. There is an Ach Pratyayanta. So, Sa, yeah, Stri asti Sa eva Shankari iti Nama Shamithato Samnyayam. Samnya ityuchyate. So, iti Ach Pratyaha. There is Shankara. So, on that if you add Ajadyata Shtab, it becomes Shankara. Ya Swayam Sham Kalyanam Karoti. Sa Shankara. Okay. Because it is Ach. Ach is not included in any of the Tidhanai or any of those lists. So, it is Shankara. Shankarasya Stri. Shankaroti iti Shankaraha. Shankarasya Stri ityarthe. Puyogarakhyayam ityanena Nish Pratyaha kriyate. So, tada Shankari ityapi bhavati. So, both of them are correct. But the meaning being intended or being conveyed is different. Shankara, Shankari, both are correct. Yeah, there are some such trick questions if you call them in this section. Both of them are correct. It should be, but it is not like you can use them optionally. There is a difference between an optional thing and such things. If it is an optional, you can use the same, I mean, either of them in the same context. Here, you can use them, but it makes a difference. I mean, both of them will refer to, say, Shankari. One more popular form is Shankari, but this thing behind is different. Sahodari and Sahodara. Why? So it's a long series of Prapti and Nishedha. Okay, so this is where you should know where is the Prapti and where is the Nishedha. Saha udaram isyaha iti bahuvrihi samasa. So it is Udara and it is a Swangavachaka and it is Upasarjana. So the first thing that I would apply is Swangachopasarjana. But Udara is Bahvach. There is more than one ach. So Udara Shabdasya Bahvach Patvat Nakrodadi Bahvachaha would apply to prevent it. Now that nakrodadi bahvachaha is overruled by nasikodara usthajangha dantakarana shingacha by madhyapavada nyaya. Okay, he has treated as it. So I mean say. So nasiko udara ityasti tasmat punah nishah praptihi asti. Kintu saha nai vidyamana purvacha is the one which comes at the end. It is not overruled by nasikodara ushtha. So saha purvat. If there is saha as the purva pada, there will be no niche. So final thing is there is no niche. Okay. So you can have the niche prapti was in two cases, and both times it was negated. So sahodara ityeva sadhu. We cannot justify sahodari.
Soumyaji, I think I spent maximum time on this because I went through a lot of deliberation, and I think I came with Sahodara. But there are the usage, like we have the Dikshita Kriti, right? Sarasi Janaba Sodari. Then how can you, or even with Lashmi, we have the Sahasranamam, I think Pankaj is something Sahodari. Lalita Sahasranamam. Lalita Sahasranamam is there. Something
Sahodari. Sahodari is
yes, they are, because last time when I was thinking
Padmanabha Sahodari.
Padmanabha Sahodari. So then how do you justify Sahodari then?
I have to think Sahodari because
And these are all like
yeah, I mean, yeah, Lalita Sahasranama you can say Arsha Prayoga.
but how about Dikshita?
But
He is Dikshita.
Yeah, he will not make such
he is good in
Sahodari. He is good.
Sarasi Janaba Sahodari, a famous song. Sam Rakshatu Mapahi.
But
Because
no,
I thought about it, then when I looked at all the thing, that's why in my answer also I wrote, how do you
yeah, I saw
justify
that.
those?
So that is to think if it can be derived. I don't know. I mean, I could not. I mean, after you saw it, I saw through it again, but I could not find any way of justifying it. So I had to think. Sahodari.
Because
No,
Apte
Sodari is
cases,
still Sahapurva because it
it's Sahapurva only.
Sahasya sa Adesha. The
Because
Saha is actually Saha. Upasarjanasya ityanena Saha ityasya sa iti Adesha kriyate.
right.
So Sodari and Sahodari are both the same. There is an optional Saha Adesha. If it is the Adesha, it becomes Sodara. Otherwise, it is Sahodara. But both of them are the same. We still have to treat it as Sahapurva.
But I think all the dictionaries gives only Sahodara. Udara only.
Yeah,
They
that is,
don't give Udari Utpatti. But
so I mean, I'm thinking there's the Bhaimi. I mean, there's one exercise that we had sent where he gives many such things and he debates. There also he clearly states that it is Sahodara and not Sahodari. He does not even take the option. We have to see how can we justify that Sodari or Sahodari. Padmanabha Sahodari. Yeah, that is there. Okay, I'll think more about it and see if it is possible. Okay. The next Sahachari and Sahachara, we already seen that Chara is Titva, and therefore because Tithani ityanenangipi Sahachari ityeva sadhu. Anuchari Sahachari. So Duhitri Duhita. So Duhitr Shabda. So Duhita is not top. I hope nobody is confused about that. It is the Prathama Ekavachana of Duhitr, Rakaranta Prathama Ekavachana. So Rakarantatva Rnebhyongi, because Swasradigana, all words in a Swasradigana are Rakarantas. So Rnebhyongi Pityanenangipi Prapte, Nashak Swasradibhyaha iti Nishidhyate. So it cannot be Duhitri, it has to be Duhita. Sukumari was also easy. Kumara is Vaisi Prathama Ekavachana. Sulochana. So here you have the application of Nakrodadi Bahvachaha. So Shobhane Lochane Yasyaha Sulochana. So we have Swangavachaka Lochana and it is Upasarjana. So there should actually have been niche, could have been niche optionally at least by Swangachopasarjana Rasayogopadha. But Nakrodadi Bahvachaha. Since it is Bahvach, Lochana, there is O, there is A and two akaras. So since it is Bahvach, there is Nishedha and therefore it has to be top because it is Adanta and it is Lochana. Mahadevi or Mahadeva. Again, Deva Shabdasya Titva ati Neep bhavati. So it has to be Devi. So whether you are taking Tidhanai or Mahadevasya Patni. So in either case, it is Neep or Nish, but it has to be Mahadevi and not Mahadeva. Krishodari, Krishodara. Here we have both. Because Krisham Udaram Yasyaha. So Udara Shabda is Swangavachaka and it is Upasarjana here. And there is Nish by Sangacha Upasarjana, which is prevented by Nakrodadi Bahvachaha. It is Bahvacha. But again, Nasika Udara. We have Udara Shabda there. And therefore, Punaha Prapti Hesti. And it is a Vaikalpika. Optional Nish. So it can be Krishodari or Krishodara. Both are correct. Tadrishi, Tadrisha. So, I think we already said it is Tadrishi and Tidhanai. But again, why Tidhanai? How? This is a Kai Pratyanta. Tadrishi Drishona Alochane, Kancha. Kanya is the Pratyaya. And Tidhanai, the SS Rakhnai Matras, Tayap Thai Kany. It is in the list of Tidhanai. So, because it is Kai Pratyanta, we have Neep and it is Tadrishi. Correct. So why does this not apply to Sahodari? Like Krishodari is because the Sahanai Pratyamana Purvacha. That is why Dikshitar made it very clear. The Nasikodara Ushtha, the Apavada, if you remember what we discussed, the order of the sutra. First he says Svanga Chopasarjanat, next Nasikodara Ushtha, next Nakroda Adivapataha, and Sahanai Vidyamana Purvacha appears later. So in case of Nasika and Udara, first, it is a Purvapavada Nyaya. The Nakrodadi Bahvachaha is the Nishedha, and as an Apavada to it, we have Nasikodara. In case of Oshtha Jangha Adanta, it is directly an Apavada to Svanga Chopasarjanat because it is Sanyogopadha. And therefore, he says, in either case, it will, for the Nasikodara Oshtha, it is Madhya Pavada, and for Nasika and Udara, it is Purvapavada. In either case, the sutra will overrule only Svanga Chopasarjanat or Nakrodadi Bahvachaha. It cannot overrule Sahanai Vidyamana Purvacha because of Purvapavadaha, Purvapavadaha, Anantaran Nidhin Badhante Nottaran. So it can extend, the effect of Nasikodara can extend only to Nakrodadi Bahvachaha. Sahanai Vidyamana Purvacha appears even later. So it cannot be overruled, and therefore if it is Sahanai or Vidyamana, it is always Nishedha, whatever the word. You will never have Nish. So that is about that. And then Samani Samana, right? Kevala Mamaka says Samyayam Chandasi Samani iti sadhu Taditaratra Samana. Both of them are correct, but again in different contexts. So in when it is neither Samya or this, you cannot use Samani. If it is Samya or Chandas, it can be Samani. Otherwise, it is Samana. Manushi and Manushi. Well, I think nobody got this. So Manushi is correct. Manushya ityasya strilinga. So Jataya Stri Vishaya should have been there, but it is Yoparha. Therefore, either we can take Gauradi Gane Patha or the Vartika, Hayagavaya Manushya, etc. Either case, you will have Nish. So Manushya E, Esyati Chait Yakara Lopaha, Halastadhita Seti Yakara Lopaha, it will be Manushi. Manushyasya idam ityarthe anna. You do anna on Manushya, it becomes Manusha. So on that, because it is an pratyayanta, we can do Tidhanai and we can still have Manushi. The meaning is different, but both forms are correct. Just wondering which form is correct. Manushi is correct and Manushi is correct. But Manushi ityasya Manushya jateha stri ityarthaha. Manushi ityasya tu Manushasya iyam. Something which belongs to a Manushya ityarthaha. Okay. Papi and Papa, like Samani and Samana. Kevala Mamaka, we have Samyayam Chandasingi Bhavati, Anyatra Tap. So Papi and Papa. Simhi and Simha. Simha is a Jati Vachaka, and therefore Jati Vasti Vishayadityanena Nishi. Simhi iti sadhu. Okay, not Simha. So there are two more sections which we'll see tomorrow, and maybe sum up Stri Pratyayas. Any questions? येनाक्षरसमां नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। मित्रेण नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तकौमुदीयं विरच्यते। Okay. So we'll see tomorrow, same time.